Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brillica Services. Today I will teach you how to add on any pattern on clothes. So without wasting time, let's start. So we have two images, one is model image and another is pattern. So let's start work on model image. Let's open our layer panel and duplicate the model layer. Now just use your quick selection and start selecting your white part or whatever you want of a specific part of any cloth or image do you want to change or add on pattern. So I think so we'll make it little bit bigger my brush. Okay, that's fine now. Okay, okay. Now just make reduce the size of brush. And you can also make this rough selection because we can erase the extra part later. Okay, we don't want to select the genes of the model. Use sensitively the selection. Okay, now our selection is done. So add on layer mask or convert your selection into masking. So now our selection is converted into mask. Now just go to another tab and drag the pattern to over here. Now just blending mode change to normal to linear bun and right click and create clipping mask. So if it is not perfect, so we can change our blending modes. So let's try another one. Okay, let's here click in here. Okay. And okay, it's not working now. So let's change it here. Okay, linear bun. and come to normal and make it linear by here and reduce some opacity, and it's done now. So this is how you can add on pattern on any clothes. So now it's your turn. Add on your practices into comments. That's it for the video. We'll make it in next video with new challenges. Thanks for watching.